How to fix DeepSeek AI verification code not working. Let's get started. If you are facing issues with the verification code not working during the sign-up process for DeepSeek AI, here are some troubleshooting steps. First, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the verification email or SMS might end up in your spam or junk folder. Check these folders to see if the code has been received there. So, launch your mail app. Click on three bars given at the top left and navigate to the option Spam. Here you might find the code. If the code is not arriving at all, try registering with a different email address or phone number to see if the issue persists. Look for a resend code option during the sign-up process. Click it to generate a new verification code and wait a few minutes. Likewise, you can use other options such as Google or Apple ID sign-in. Using these, you won't need to provide the code, and you can easily sign up for a DeepSeek account. Likewise, you can also check for service status updates of the DeepSeek. For that, navigate to the website status.deepseek.com. Here you can find out if there are any outages or the bugs. If there are any bugs or outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these steps work, what you can do is reach out to DeepSeek AI support team. You can head over to the website DeepSeek support or mail them at support@deepseek.ai. So these are the fixes for DeepSeek AI verification code not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.